everybody, today I will be microwaving a Edwards fire alarm pull station. Alright, so here it is. Against the back for you. Oh, it wants me to put the time in. It's 1:11. 1. Oh wait. Auto time cook, 8. 9. 4. Okay, 4.
So 4 minutes?
I don't know, we'll see.
It's hot.
It's pretty fucking hot, I'll give it that.
Oh.
Don't know if you can see it, guys, but pretty cool. Wonder if you can see it through here.
Oh my god.
Burnt the top pretty good. Oh, look at that.
Open, close, open, close, open, close.
That's not safe, and this is burning, this is burning. Oh my. Hurry, someone pull the fire alarm.
Connor, no! Don't fetch it, Connor! Retarded dog.